The leg or 20-meter shuttle run, also known as the beep test, is an essential part of our hiring process to assess your cardiovascular ability for the police constable position. In this virtual run, you'll record yourself and send us the video file. At the most basic level, the shuttle run is a timed running test with laps. 2 lines are marked to set distance apart, and you have a limited amount of time to run end-to-end laps. Laps are grouped together into 1-minute levels, and each level becomes progressively faster. At a minimum, you need to reach a level 7 to move forward in the hiring process. However, we want you to push yourself to achieve the maximum possible level. The test requires a little bit of setup. First, find a flat, even surface that's free of hazards that you have permission to use. Mark 2 lines that are 20 meters apart using 2 medium-sized items like water bottles, small boxes, or pylons. Next, mark 2 more lines that are warning lines. These will be 2 meters inside your first set of lines. Now, set up a camera or phone for video recording in the middle at a far enough position to see both outside lines. Finally, set up a device that can play back audio like a speaker, laptop, or another phone next to the video recording device. We'll send you an audio file by email to use, and it's vital that this recording device can hear the test audio. Be sure to only use the audio we send you. We won't accept any other versions of the beep test.
Good morning, my name is Upasna Sharma. Today is...
When you're ready, start your recording device. Introduce yourself so we can see you on camera, and ensure you include your first and last name and the date you recorded this test. Next, give us a tour of your setup. We want to see both the perspective and the numbers on the measuring tape at each line. Without stopping the recording, place your phone on a secure surface or have a friend hold it. Start the audio on the secondary device and begin your test. Remember, we are looking for a single continuous video that includes your introduction, tour, and run. We can't accept a video that has stops, starts, or any edits in it. Once completed, upload the video unlisted to YouTube and send us a link. Details about uploading are in the comment section of this video or available on join.wrps.ca. We'll also include a link to an example submission video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at uniformrecruiting@wrps.on.ca.
Hi, I'm Marco Jardine. Today is April 4th, 2022, and I'm going to be running the 20-meter shuttle run.
Your pivoting foot on or over the line. Pivot. Do not make wide turns. When you can no longer reach the line in time twice in a row, leave the testing area and remember the last number called out on the tape. Repeat it to yourself a few times so you don't forget it. Recover by walking for a few minutes. The test starts in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The test is underway.